We'll start lying down, knees bent, feet hip distance apart. Settle into your neutral spine. Pelvis level, a small natural curve behind the lower back. One easy breath here. Hands behind the head and let the head rest heavy into them. Keep the elbows in your peripheral vision. Feel exactly where they are and connect the shoulders. The shoulder blades sliding down, wrapping into the back of the ribs. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, curl the head and chest away from the mat. Ribs sliding down toward the hips. Inhale, lower down with control. Again, exhale, curl up, elbows staying wide. Keep a small space between your chin and chest. Let your gaze travel forward. Exhale, lower. One more. Exhale, curl up again. Melt the ribs down to the hip, not by pulling your head forward. And back down. This time, curl up and stay. Reach one hand across to the outside of the opposite thigh. Feel the waist rotate. Come back to center and switch sides. Pull the shoulder closer to the opposite knee. Thoracic rotation. Return and switch. Rotating from the ribs, the pelvis staying quiet. Keep the shoulder away from the ear. Curl a bit higher. Back to center. Keep the curl. Now float one leg up to tabletop. Curl up and reach across to the outside of that tabletop thigh. Return the body to center, lower the leg, and switch side. The knee stays exactly over the hip. Switch and curl. Keep the tabletop leg active. Create a two-way stretch. Your hands draw the thigh in as the thigh reaches away. Keep that opposition as you switch and curl. Nice. Roll back down. Take a deep breath. We will continue to layer up, adding leg extension next. Exhale. Come back to your curl, both legs up to tabletop. As you curl and rotate, the free leg reaches out long. Reach and hold the outside of the opposite thigh. Switch. Exhale to rotate. Inhale through the middle. Keep the pelvis heavy, rotating without lifting the hips. Really understanding the reach from your shoulder blade toward the opposite knee. Finish this one. Return back to the center, knees bent in, hands go back behind the head, and lower down. Finishing with a full crisscross. We will keep the connection we had. Hands stay behind the head. With an exhale, curl up again, and let's add some speed while keeping the same control. Exhale, same thing, rotate and extend the leg. Again, think shoulder blade toward the knee, not the elbow. Imagine your ribcage spiraling around your spine, not from pulling your head forward. Your obliques are creating the rotation. Keep going, we have a few more. Try creating more rotation without letting the pelvis move. Nice job. Return to center and slowly lower down.